everybody, welcome to our video. Today we are going to be testing the 5 burner cooker, Roche 5 burner cooker. This is a wok cooker that has 5 gases and also electric oven. So as you can see from the look of it, this is how it looks like. On the right we have the knobs to the top cookers. On the left we have the knobs to the oven. The cooker is a stainless steel cooker. You can see from the top how shiny and how beautiful it is. So this is how the top looks like. So you can see there are 5 cookers and it's a very fast cooker. It's a wok cooker with a glass lid. To get this cooker started, all you need to do is to have it connected to the electricity, like we have done, and also to the gas cylinder. The ignition of the cookers, most of them, they use electric ignition. So that's why you need to connect it to the power supply. Now we're going to test it and see how well it burns and how to start the oven as well. So once you turn the knob, it automatically starts. Look at how beautiful the big burner looks. And this burner cooks very fast, very fast. So if you love spending less time in the kitchen, this will be good for you because you'll just take very few minutes and the food or whatever you're making is ready to eat. So as you can see, the knobs are labeled just where it will ignite. The first one is for the first burner, that is on the right, the first right. The second one is for the second right corner. Then there's the middle one for the big burner, and then the other 2 knobs are for the left hand side. So it is very easy to use. And this is for the oven. Now we're going to test the oven. So it's a wide oven. In the wide oven we find it has the grill tray, also the rectangular tray, another rectangular tray. These are these are the stands of the cooker. So it's a brand new cooker. So this is what you expect to find inside. It has a manual. We also see inside there it has a rotisserie or the turn split. It has the turn split, it has the grill. Yes, that is the rotisserie or the turn split. Okay, so we're going to just put everything back, then test the oven or show you how to light your oven. To get the trays out, you just pull, and to get them back in, you just push them back in. You can always remove your tray completely so that you can be able to wash it. Just like that. You push it and it's good. Push and pull, push and pull. So, to start your oven, you just turn on your timer. Then you choose the grill that you'd like to use, either the upper grill, the lower grill, or both the cooking elements, the top element, the lower element. So you also put on your heating level or your degrees. And that's just how you switch on your cooker. The oven heating levels depend on what you're cooking. So in most cases, it will be on your recipe. Then this is for the turn split. Now to turn for the chicken lovers or the turkey lovers, to get your rotisserie on, ensure the oven is on, so the timer, the degrees, and the heating element is on. Then you press the rotisserie button, this one right here. So once you do that, the turn split will just begin to turn round and round. By this time, we hope your chicken is already on the rod, turn split rod. So as you can see in there, it is turning to ensure your chicken cooks evenly on all sides. This cooker has a fan, has a turbo fan. So the turbo fan ensures that the oven is evenly heated, and that makes the oven a fast cooker as well, and your food cooks evenly on all sides. How to turn on your fan? That is the knob you turn on, and as you can hear, the fans are on. I'm sure you can see them in there because they are rotating. But once we switch off, you'll be able to see them. You can see them stopping. So those are the oven fans. Nice. So guys, that is it for this video. If you're interested in this cooker, you find it at Alma Designs. They always have offers throughout the years, so you can always contact them to find out the offer that is going on for that time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you like it, subscribe for more videos. If you'd like us to review something, just comment down below and we will be glad to assist you. Thank you. Have a lovely day.